I will forgo the opportunity to defend the Office of the Vice President 2025 budget proposal by question and answer, and I will leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on the proposal.
I would like to thank the Vice President for showing her true colors to the House and her lack of respect for checks and balances and the separation of powers and accountability. We are a republic. We don't have a king or a queen. Now, Madam Chair, dahil hindi naman masagot ni VP Sara yung mga katanungan ng miyembro, may I move now to defer the hearing of the budget of the Office of the Vice President.
The Office of the Vice President is 664,883,000, Your Honor.
Mr. President, no member registered to interpolate. With that, Mr. President, I move that the budget of the Office of the Vice President be